The whole entire country is experiencing a really hot housing market, but by some measures, Austin is really the hottest.
Daryl Fairweather works with Redfin, a real estate agency. According to the company's data for 2021 so far, the housing market is booming in Austin, with prices up more than 40% from last year.
Well, there's lots of people moving in from more expensive parts of the country. The number one migration origin rather for people moving to Austin is San Francisco. So when people leave San Francisco, they're used to housing costs of more than $1 million, and then they come to Austin where homes cost closer to $500,000.
Fairweather says the hot housing market has its pros and cons.
If you are a homeowner, you may be really pleased to see that the value of your home has increased so much in such a short amount of time. But if you're a first-time home buyer, this can be really disheartening to have to compete with all this money.
Just in April alone, 1,500 homes sold for more than $100,000 above asking price. Last year, only 22 homes sold for that amount. Fairweather says she expects the housing market to continue to skyrocket.
I think prices will continue to go up. So waiting isn't necessarily a good strategy because you probably end up paying more at a higher mortgage rate if you waited until next year.
These higher price tags are also pushing locals out, since many Austinites aren't willing to pay the amount that out-of-staters are ready to.
They're looking to spend over $800,000 on a home. That's according to our Redfin search data, whereas locals are only willing to pay a third of that when it comes to buying a home. So this migration is clearly causing some price appreciation, just how many more out-of-towners are coming in.
The best tip she says she can give you for buying a home is be patient.
If you find a home that you really start falling in love with, try to keep some distance from it and stay objective. It can be really hard to keep a cool head and not end up overpaying.